StudyNest. So today's Thursday's tips are going to be a life changer because today I've got acupressure points and some massages and stuff you can do so that you can make your brain sharper and solve a few negative issues and stuff like that. So without any further delay, let's report to the video. Alright, so first you have to put your thumb like this, as if you're giving a thumbs up to my video. You can do that right now also. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, so you press your thumb with the help of your index and middle finger like this. Squeeze, relax. Squeeze, relax. And do this for almost like 20 seconds. That will be enough. And you'll feel like your nasal path is cleared and you'll be able to breathe clearly. This will help you if you have cold or cough or something. That time your nose gets blocked and you can't even breathe the single thing. So that will help you. You just have to do this. On to the second thing. It's again the thumb. Put as if it's the same thing, but then you have to press on the sides. You have to do the same thing, but in that you have to not do squeeze and stuff. You have to hold it and not let it go for 30 to 60 seconds. This will give you a bit of energy and it will also give you clarity of mind. But if you don't feel anything, don't hesitate. It's normal. You can do it later again or tomorrow or the next day. First of all, do you know why this happens? Like if you've ever taken medicine, then you might have felt drowny or foggy, or sometimes even you feel high. This is because the medicine acts with your neurotransmitters receptors of your brain. And what's that? Well, they send any chemicals that are put in your body, like the medicine in this case. They tell your body to how to react or how to feel or what should be your mood for that particular time. But instead of having medicines, and you can even get good vibes and good inspiration with simple acupressures. And the best part is that they're completely free and you don't need to go round and round to a special place. You can just do it relaxed on your home. On to the third acupressure point. There is an exercise or acupressure point to make you happy. Now let's say you have been from a tough time and you're really sad, anxious and whatnot. You're sad but you want your mood to be happy. Think positive. So there's an acupressure point for that too. All you have to do is point someone and shoot them. Hey, just joking. You just have to put as if you're pointing someone and put your thumb finger like this, and then bring your other thumb and nail to nail scratch like this as you are scratching a gift card quickly for a few seconds, and using your index finger cover them up firmly for at least like 20 seconds. Yeah, 20 seconds would do. And then if you don't feel and that's it, that will actually make you happy and there will be something going on behind your eyes. It's actually your brain unwinding itself or something. And if you don't feel it, then do it for a longer period of time. Have you ever experienced nervous headache or worried or like feeling some issue with your tummy? Well, there's an acupressure point for that. Coming on to our fourth acupressure point, what you have to do is clench your thumb finger for 3 to 5 minutes, and that's it. You will feel good enough. Clench your index finger with the other hand, and you will get relief from things like nervousness or fear or from disappointment. You will find relief very soon. very soon. Acupressure points are really amazing. And why am I telling this? This is not an acupressure point, but then it can also help you a lot. Middle finger stands for getting annoyed or angry and feeling tired than usual. So what you have to do is clasp your middle finger with your palm for 3 to 5 minutes to decrease blood pressure, calm down, and also improves liver function. Now, next finger is the ring finger. Is it only for putting on your rings and looking fashionable? Well, the answer is no. You can clench your ring finger and it will give you relief from nervousness, negative emotions and sadness. All you need to do is massage your ring finger for 3 to 5 minutes again. Teeny tiny little finger, don't underestimate just because it's teeny. It can do also stuff for you. It represents self-esteem, stress, nervousness, and when you feel you're not worthy. Have you ever experienced this? I have. So all you have to do is massage your little tiny little finger like this or like this for 5 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, and try thinking positive while doing this, because positive is good and good. Thinking of good gives you a good feeling. Giving you a good feeling makes you feel good, and if you feel good, then you'll do good. If you do good, then you'll feel good. I mean, the cycle continues. But not the least, stay positive.